everybody. Just a few little algebra reminders. Here we are learning to speak the language of algebra and to follow the algebra rules, just like speaking English and speaking Arabic and writing English. There's certain rules that help us in algebra. Algebra is the language of science. Okay, so I want you to pause this video, please. Write this down. I want you to distribute. The word is distribute and simplify the problem on the right, and also simplify the problem on the left and on the right. Okay, do both these. Pause the video. Ready? Pause. Okay, now I'll do it, and you can check your answers. Okay, so every time you're watching one of these videos, please have a piece of paper and a pencil, and I will say pause, and you work the problem, and then I'll work the problem. Okay, it works a whole lot better that way. You always learn better when you make mistakes first. And so that's just a kind of a little rule for life and definitely a rule for math. So I'm going to distribute. The word is distribute. Distribute. Okay, so I'm multiplying. This is multiply. When you're writing it this way. So some things you have to learn to see it and know what it is without thinking about it. Most of you do, and if you don't, you just keep seeing it and you think about it a little bit. This is a multiply. If I have a number or a variable and then a brackets, that means multiply if there's no sign there. Okay, so 1/7 times 3t. 1/7 times 3, if you need that in your calculator, put it in your calculator, but that's 3/7 t. Okay, I'm multiplying that one, then I'm distributing to the other one. 1/7 times 14. Don't forget your minus, okay? Positive times minus is a minus. Positive times negative is negative. 14 over 7. Now, if you can simplify the fraction, please do that. But I prefer that you leave your answers in a fraction. 3/7 is simplified. We can't get any simpler than that. 3/7 t minus, and then your calculator will tell you. If you don't remember, what does this line mean right here? 14 divided by 7. Okay, so there you are. We have distributed and simplified. Now, here's one that I've seen some people have trouble with. There, I have a term that's by itself. This 2 is separated from this bracket by a minus sign. This is 2 minus the quantity negative x minus 7. Okay, so this is the same as 2 minus, if you need to write something in there, it's minus 1 of these. Minus 1 minus x minus 7. Okay, we're not multiplying, we're not distributing the 2 over this minus sign. This 2 can't jump over this minus sign. This is 2 minus all this, not 2 times, right? See the difference between these two? Okay, that's why we're doing these two. All right, so now I distribute this minus 1. So I get 2 minus times a minus. Whenever I multiply a minus 1, I change the sign of everything I multiply by minus 1 by. So I got 2 plus x minus 1 times minus 7 plus 7. Simplify one more step. I got x plus 9. Or 9 plus x. Okay? All right, a little simple review there. And let's do 2 more, and then you bring these to class, okay? This is the way we'll do these videos. I'll do one, you do them, you attempt them. If you get them wrong, okay, then watch my solution. Then you do 2 more and bring those with you to class, whether it's in your own little notebook or your class notebook. So here we go. I don't know. We'll do them just the same. 1/3 times 9x minus 11. Okay, that one, do that one please. And then we're also going to have 4 minus x minus 3. Okay, so bring these two. You solve these two now. You pause the video here, write them down, and make this number 1 and this number 2. Bring those two with you to class. All right, thank you. This is for a little practice and a little review.